What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Totally different days. But today I just got those in the mail. So those are for that car. I'm kind of being I have been pretty lazy, guys. Get from work pretty tired and just stay home and do nothing. But things are getting there little by little. So let me show you guys the Mazda. Okay, guys, so there's the Mazda. These are the keys. I don't know why, girls like having a lot of keys and keychains and stuff like that, but anyway. So it's keyless entry. You don't need to press anything. Just hit this, and I didn't do anything. Like I said, guys, the only thing that I've done to the car is replace the front bumper. This trim also, the little trim. I installed this trim. I'm still missing the inner liner that goes in here, so should be ordering that. You guys saw that damage already. The car's running perfect. Another thing that I did was the plates, the black license plates, but these are with vinyl. The ones on the truck, on that truck, are painted. Did that decal there too. Like I said, so let me show you guys the car. Like I said, the license plates on the F-150 and the Mini Cooper are painted. So I found out that paint works a lot better. They look a lot better. So, but either way, this is the car. Let's see. So like I said, it's leather. It's got the moonroof. The Mini's arriving. It's got the traction control. Look at the mess, guys. It's all good when you have kids. So it's got the headrest monitors. It's got a third row seat back here, but it's down. We don't need it. But everything's pretty clean, guys. It's got 20s original wheels. The tires are practically brand new. Navigation, like I said, heated seats. Those nice little flowers. It's not my car, my wife's car. So like I said, the tires are pretty new. Goodyear 20s, all season tires. So the car hasn't been giving me not a single problem. So yeah, guys, there's that. Now let's get to the part. To this is what I got today, and this belongs to the BMW e90. So this is for the e90. And I already know what it is, but you guys don't. But you guys are about to find out. Here it is, guys. Here's the other one. That. These are the other ones. The rear ones. It came with the brake pads and the front and rear brake sensors. So everything was like 150 bucks around there for the whole thing. And the reason I bought them is because the car won't pass the brake and lamp inspection. The discs The guy said they're too thin and they're all scratched. Like the brake pads or the metal dug into the disc already pretty much. So that's why it didn't pass the brake and lamp inspection. On the lamps, we didn't even get to the lamps. Well, we did get to the lamps, but it didn't pass either because of the rear lights. I don't know if I remember telling you that some of them were off, but I fixed that with the Carly app. No, they never got to the front ones. They haven't checked the front ones, but I think it won't pass, or maybe that's just me or just the car, but the high beams won't stay on. So if you guys got a e90 and your high beams won't stay on, you got to pull the lever for them to stay on. But if you push it forward, it clicks, but then the lights won't go on. I don't know if that's just these type of headlights because they're aftermarket, or I don't know, but I'm most likely gonna buy the OEM headlight, the one on the driver's side, the one that broke with the accident, because I have the left one, not the left one, the right one, the passenger side. I have that one. That one's in great shape, so I don't need to buy that one. So what's up, Tarito? Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna install the brake pads. I mean, not the brake pad. Well, yeah, the rotors and the brake pads to have that checked off the list, and hopefully I get that car back on the road pretty soon. So yeah, guys, let me try to remove the rims. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. You can see that top part, well, all around it, you see the actual disc is sunk in, and I guess that's what the guy was telling me. Doesn't have to have that. Okay, guys, so I'm over here at my brother's house. I was doing it over at my house, but I had to stop because I had to go somewhere, so I'm doing it right here now. I'm gonna switch. Remember, I'm gonna replace the rotors. Okay, guys, and the rotors that I'm gonna be installing, I showed you guys these ones, and these are from eBay. They were about, like I said, 150 bucks. I've seen other videos on these rotors, and supposedly they're okay. They're labeled. Let me show you guys. Let me turn the camera around. So as you can see, each one is labeled: front, driver's side, front, passenger side, and then I got the other two for the rear. So yeah, guys, I'll leave a link on the description so you guys could check them out in case you guys want to get some for your car. Okay, guys, so we are on this side. This side's much easier because the other side was my first time doing it, and I actually, this was my first time doing the brakes on a BMW. But look at that, guys. That's the cost. But either way, I was checking out another video. I'll leave the link in the description for the original video where the video that helped me do this. But I was checking this out, and you see this link. This link is this like a lowering link. If I get a bigger one, would it lower the car? This one, because I remember the Mercedes have this, and they used to sell one of these links. I think they were a little bit bigger, and that would drop the car a little bit more. I don't know if that's the same thing as this. All you guys that have an E90 or know a little bit more about this, what do you guys think that thing is? And I'll do my research, but it's always pretty cool to ask you guys and see all your comments and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because that would be pretty cool, because they sell the links for the Mercedes, so you could lower it or raise it. So they'll probably sell the links for this car also and lower it. I don't know, maybe. So let me put all these things back together. That's pretty much it. You can see I have all 4 of them installed now. That one, that one. So next thing to do is try to see if it'll pass with those headlights. If not, get the other headlight that I need. Of course, the hashtag rebuild Mafia decal. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna try to keep on. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'm gonna try to keep on recording more often. So stay tuned. The car, guys. See you guys in the next one.